Hi, I'm Lisa, bringing you another Trinity Stamps product close-up from the second birthday celebration release. This is the new Bunch of Balloons die set. This large balloon die set contains 5 balloons, 2 string pieces, and a grouping of confetti. The largest balloon measures 4¼ inches wide and 5.325 inches tall, while the smallest balloon measures 1.6 inches wide and 2.24 inches tall. I've die cut the balloons using pattern paper so you'll get a better feel for what they look like. Now the largest balloon fits an A2 card base perfectly, giving you lots of options with this. You could easily split that balloon down the center to create 2 cards from this one die. And you can easily make shaker cards with these balloons. So here I'm showing you how you can do a little bit of partial die cutting and create a frame for a shaker. Then you could take some scrap pieces of paper to cut those confetti pieces out and add that to your shaker. So while we're on the topic of confetti, when you get your die set, have a look at these 2 pieces right here. Those are not confetti pieces. Those are actually detail pieces that you're going to get with your die set. You can see here, you can use them a couple of different ways. I take the smaller one and use it around the balloon as if it's wrapped around the balloon and then tied. So I take the smallest one to make it look like it's wrapped around that balloon, and then I take the longer one to act as the second tail to what would be my string or ribbon. Balloons are so synonymous with celebrations. They just have a way of making everything look festive, including our favorite paper crafting projects. Now, I have a few samples from the design team members to share with you. And we can't wait for you to get this die set in your craft room so you can start creating fun projects for your next big celebration. Please be sure to share your creations with us in the Trinity Stamps Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation Facebook group. And be sure to use the hashtag Trinity Stamps LLC whenever sharing. Thanks for watching, and be sure you click that bell to be notified of new content so you can watch more product close-ups from the Trinity Stamps second birthday celebration release.